Lomi Yaipalup Kangleipak Loya Loop observed World Farmers' Day at Loktak Hall of Manipur Press Club today. During the event, farmers from various places were honored with recognition of their invaluable contributions. Speaking on the occasion, working president of Loya Loop Kangleipak, Taurangbam Birjit underscored the crucial importance of supporting farmers' development. He emphasized the pivotal roles of farmers who are the backbone of state's economy and production. Birjit urged the government to prioritize farmers' welfare to cultivate a strong work culture in the state. Additionally, he reassured the organization's dedication to initiate efforts for well-being of farmers.
Malaysia mafum khuni mukta ayam mafum jinda pangtoi ba May gi tang taramari World Farmers Day na khanglei ba thorom masi lamdam masi da su ekoi gi loya lup kanglei pakna pangthok chaduna lamdam sing miam sing amadi CSO gi sing single loina na longmi single loina na ekoi mafum sida PSO ping na pangthok chari masi gi pandam ni lamdam masi da lei ba longmi sing amadi Malaysia da lei ba longmi sing na thengnari ba awaba amasung awat ta sing adugi khar makhai do rabasu loya lup kanglei pakna lamdamasida leibireba longmi singidamta hena ngaklo kharato je piba ngamba senga kharato je ngakatpa ngamna bagi pandam da thokcharakpa dum malukni aduga hotchu hotnagani longmi singidamta hena ngakhanaba angamba thakta hotna jarakanda ekoina longmi singbu lamdamasida longmi singbu hena chokotpa borokpa maiwanda lakna bagi damta changchenjaba mo oigani